Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a card made with the adorable Here We Go Waddling stamps and dies by Lawn Fawn. I will be creating a beautiful background using my little singing and Christmas caroling penguins along with some other dies which you will see later in the video. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is a congratulations card to a friend who loves little penguins. You can make this into a Christmas or a holiday card or gift it to your loved ones who loves music. There are many ways you can use this stamp set. Use the little lamppost and cut out some snow hills to create a little scene for your penguins to carol in, or try putting these 3 penguins on a house and make it look like as if the penguins are singing at your doorsteps. Let's begin creating today's card with stamping and coloring these cute penguins and a little lamppost that is provided in the stamp set. I stamped the images using a black pigment ink, after which I heat embossed all the stamped images. I used clear embossing powder to add some shine to our little penguins. I will leave a link down in the description box below for all the supplies that I have used in today's video. Once I was done with the stamping and heat embossing, I used alcohol markers to color our little penguins. The penguins are very easy to color since they require just some basic shades of blacks and greys. I did use some bright colors to pop up the hat, the guitar, and the little carol books on the penguins. I die cut these images with the Here We Go Waddling coordinating die set. I will pop out each of the image from the die and look how cute are these little penguins, all ready for the holiday season. Let's create our snow hill. I do not have a die that can cut out a perfect snow backdrop, so I'm using a regular border die which has some pattern on the edge. All I'm doing here is cutting out the pattern off the edge and we have a beautiful snow hill background ready to go on our card panel. I cut out 2 similar pieces just to give our scene some dimension. I will take another piece of white cardstock and cut out these little branches. These branches will add a little more interest to our scene. Now, since this is more of a winter time scene, I prefer everything white. Now that all our stamped and die cut pieces are ready, it's time to assemble the card. Well, before we go ahead and assemble everything onto a background panel, let's add some extra wintry love to our card. I'm using the Ultinew Tiny Bubble Stencil to add a snowy background to this blue panel. I will be doing some heat embossing on this using some white pigment ink and sparkle embossing powder. That's the reason you saw me using my anti-static powder tool before stamping. You will notice that I was not very careful as to where I'm blending my white ink. I just wanted more of a messy and random look, which is exactly what I got. I'm using the same white pigment ink from Gina to add a little kind of dust of snow on top of our card. Again, here you'll notice I'm not very particular about how I'm blending. I just need a little cloudy, snowy look. Let's now create our scene. I will add the die cut pieces one by one to build a little singing scene here. First, I adhere our snowbank. I'm using strong double-sided tape to adhere both the die cuts. Notice that I'm placing the pieces in a way that it gives an illusion of raised snow hills. You will see that there are some blue pieces of cardstock showing on the left corner and a straight edge of the snow hill showing at the center of the card. But no worries, we will hide all of this using the other die cut images. I fixed the blue spot using a tree branch. For the straight line in the center, I will cover that up with a tree branch and then the little singing penguins. One by one, I went on adding the branches using a strong liquid glue. Once I was satisfied with the position of the branches, I flipped the card panel and cut off all the hanging edges using my scissors. Now, let's adhere our little penguins to complete our scene. I mounted the penguins using some foam tape for an extra dimension. And look, here, these three penguins hid perfectly the edge of that snowbank. I'm also using some liquid glue to adhere the small little penguins on the background. What's a winter holiday card without some sparkle? Well, once my scene was done, I decided to add some sparkle using my Spectrum Noir glitter brush pen. I added sparkle on the snowbank as well. You can skip this step by using a white glitter sheet of cardstock instead of a plain white cardstock for your snowbank. To finish the card, I added some sparkle Nuvo drops on the lamp for some fine detailing. I really loved how the sparkle Nuvo drops looked on the lamp, so I went ahead and added them on the books, the hats, and the scarves of our little penguins. I love how shiny, glittery, and fun this card turned out to be. Here's a look at our finished card. Hope you had fun watching today's video and got inspired to create your own winter wonderland. Tag me on Instagram at rp_shutterbug with fun pictures of your project. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Also, mention your thoughts about today's video and some card ideas and techniques that you would like to see in the future videos in the comment section below. Thanks again for joining me today. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post a video. Here are a couple of other videos that you might be interested in watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.